Okay, so I'm reunited with one of my favorite stylists, Morgan. I've missed her, you guys. I'm gonna put the videos up in the cards of like the hairstyles that she's done on me in the past for those who need a refresher or for those who are new and don't know who Morgan is. But y'all, she used to slay my frontals, and she had this beautiful baby that is in there, and then she wasn't coming to Dallas anymore, and I understood. But you're gonna start coming back to Dallas? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Next time you come, I'm gonna make sure that I tell you guys ahead of time and post it on my Instagram and post it on my Twitter with like pictures and clips from the videos that we've made, so that you guys know exactly who to come to when she comes in town. So we're gonna be doing a bob. Let me try to find one of the inspiration pictures. Now see, I don't know, y'all, should we do a long bob or should we do like a collarbone length? Should we do this? Or should we go longer? I got 14-inch hair, so we can cut it short. I know one thing, I want it to be a side part. I don't want it to be a middle part. Y'all, this is better than I like could have even imagined. Can y'all see like the lace? It's a trick question because the answer is no, but like it looks so good. And this cut is perfect. And look at all this bounce and body like movement. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Thanks, Morgan.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna kidnap her. But I mean, I gotta kidnap the baby too. So if anybody would like to babysit, let me know in the comments, because we need this here. Okay? We need